Good morning, this is Simon presenting the coursework that was assigned us to go and practice about these, the implementing grid views, spinner, radio buttons, and finally checkboxes, and we submit the video. So I managed to design some of them. Like here, this is an example of a checkbox. Like we usually start with opening the layout. We give out the layout width and height as a math parent, and the orientation of this to be vertical. So the checkbox is opened. Then here the Android width is wrap content. The layout is margin left. Then the Android text is commando here. So another checkbox below that is coffee. Then below coffee there is Katogo. Then after Katogo there is a button for order here, which is the one which is here. So I configured this here in Java, an activity main.java, whereby here the package is checkbox, the name of the package. The import using variables are here. You point there, they come. So these ones are the classes. Then here is the public void of the radio button, which says commando. If you click there, it will show below on the dialog. Then after here I used an if statement, whereby I said if the commando is checked, when you click in commando, the result that will appear, it will display commando of 400,700,000 plus this. If I click on coffee, what will be displayed is coffee and 4,000 plus this, and so on and so on. So now let's run this checkbox and we see. I can run using connecting on Android phone, or I can use this virtual device. So now we are running this code. So now when we check each commando and we say order, then it will say the item selected each commando of this tree. When we check this commando and coffee and we say order, it will say selected item is commando and coffee, total shilling below. When we check all of them and we say order, then it will say commando, coffee, Katogo, then total shillings below. So now let's close our virtual device. Then we go to another example, which is this is for a radio button. Same applies to the other one, linear layout. Here the view is this text view, the same. Then these ones are the comments just for customizing. Then below we have radio group. Here they are grouped into a radio group box here. So we say we are going to capture male or female. Then here below we have the button for showing the selected. So here in Java, main activity.java, I configured them as using an if statement, whereby if selected ID 1, toss it, we use this, and we have to declare it here in import for it to work here on using variables. So that tocit is the one that helps us to display this main activity. Then if it is selected, then it will show the content. If not, it will say nothing is selected. So now let's run and see. So now our radio button is here, you see. If you select male and you click here, it will say male. If you select female, it will show you female. Then let's assume that we are not selecting any of them. Let's run afresh and you see like show. It will say nothing is selected. So now let's move to our last example. This is our last example that was saying a spinner. A spinner is very short and simple because it is like a drop down menu. This is a spinner, content, ID, layout, and whatnot. So here in main activity.java, I imported the following to use the following code. I imported the toast.wedge, the adapter view, and view. So I used the string, and my items are captured into a string here. Mbalala, I am capturing districts. Mbalala, Ushenyi, Kasese, and others. So here I used my adapter to view my string here above. So when I click my spinner, it will show me this drop down. When I click one of these districts like Mbalala, that's why I'm giving them a position here, so that they are going to be there in a drop down menu, in a drop down way. As I'm going to run and you see, so run. Hey, I didn't close the video. So now this is our spinner. It is named as assignment because when you click here on our spinner, you say Bushenyi will display below here. When I click here and I say others will be displayed. When I click here and I say Shema will be displayed. So now let's close our virtual device. That's all I had for you about the assignment. Have a nice day.